Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here is where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo ka balong ka Menteri jong ka Sarkar Jala, ka bapet Jakatan Information and Public Relation ka Sarkar Jala, haka santerik ujumang arjar apulai. Kalau ong bakamday satya ka Sarkar Jala ka Jingjied ginong sna film, banlay Ïashim Bynta haka International Film Festival, kaban salong haka nong ba Cannes jong ka France. Haka jingakran bigilat patay kubur ka Menteri kalau ong baka jingkot smubha kadai ka bawan na ka Ministry of Information and Broadcasting jong ka Sarkar India, Jingjied ginong sna film nakani ka Jala. Kibaladon ya ke Bynta ban kentiwi ki kam sna film hakani ke Jala Meghalaya.
Unhealthy fault-finding missions. Please do not find fault. It could be A person, B person, D person who decides that two people should go and these are the two people who should go. Whether it is an officer, whether it is a political master, whether it is the ministry themselves. Be happy that we are being selected, we have been invited and two people will go. Please do not belittle anybody's contribution in this effort to make sure that we send two people from the state of Meghalaya to Cannes. It's a wonderful opportunity for them. Let us not break that opportunity only because we cannot seem to decide who will go. I feel that let anybody go. Let anybody go. Names have been sent to the ministry, whether it is this officer or this minister or the Honorable Chief Minister who takes that call. My appeal is please let somebody go. Otherwise, in the end, nobody will go. See, this is the unfortunate situation that arises when X people are selected and Y and Z people are not selected. See, we should remember very clearly that there is no dearth of filmmakers in the state of Meghalaya. We have a huge talent of individuals who have gained renowned appreciation for the films that they have in the recent years already made. So now the question is, who is inviting participation to Cannes? It is not the government of Meghalaya that's inviting this. It is a sponsored program by the Ministry of IPR, Information and Public Relations, Broadcasting and Public Relations. So now there has been two individuals who have been told that they will be going, and there are two individuals who said that they have applied to go. You may say what you say. Everybody in this list of four, I feel, have contributed enormously towards the growth of the film industry in the state of Meghalaya. The question is, who do we send? So this has occurred. It is not a controversy. It's just that more than two people want to attend. But the government of India is sponsoring only two individuals. So now we have, by whatever procedure of selection, decided that two people will go. I appeal to the people because see, this is what happens. When X person has been selected and so many people are talking about it, X person will also not want to go anymore. So either we allow two people to go or maybe nobody goes from the state of Meghalaya if this controversy continues. And I appeal to the people, to filmmakers and the film fraternity, please, let us decide what we need to do. Let us for a change be on the same page on one matter. So many people are there who are eligible. In fact, the minister could have jolly well gone. But see, we didn't do it. Now, we have to decide who should be called because visas will take time. The program is on the 27th of May. There's very little time. I'm yet to take a view on this again. But as it stands, two people who have been selected should be allowed to go without this controversy, unnecessarily making it look like they are not eligible to even go. Yes. But I know that they stand ground on their eligibility to go. So let 2 people go, and next time we'll send 2 more and 2 more and 2 more. We have 5 canes coming up in the next 5 years. Anxiousness and anxiety should not be there on this matter. My appeal to the fraternity of filmmakers, please let somebody go. Let the state remain represented rather than unrepresented.